Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to help us. We are working on explainable artificial intelligence, meaning that we research different ways to explain the output of artificially intelligent systems in order for users, such as yourself, to trust the system. I will now give you a very brief introduction to what the study is about and how you can easily participate. We use an AI system to analyze images from colonoscopies, and when the system claims to have detected the polyp, we would like the system to tell us why. Even more importantly, we would like to know if the given explanation is useful to you. To this end, we will now show you two different explanation methods for several different colonoscopy images and ask you to rate them. Here is an example image where the AI system has detected a polyp. The first explanation method is a heat map on top of the original image, showing which parts of the image caught the AI system's attention. Here, red regions are considered most important by the AI system. The other explanation method shows colored regions on the image, indicating whether the region pushed the AI system towards or away from its decision. So this is similar to the previous method, but it's not the same. Here, green regions support the AI system's decision, while the red regions disagree with the decision. The aim of this survey is to find out which of these explanation methods provides you with what you think is the most relevant information. So the question is not whether the AI system is good or bad at identifying polyps, but whether the explanation is useful to you. And now I'll show you how the survey works. This is the first page of the survey. If you have a participant ID, you can put it directly into the field and click Start Survey. If you don't have an ID, click Get Participant ID and we'll make one for you. To get a participant ID, you need to fill out this little registration form. Note that country, degree, field of expertise, and active years in the field are mandatory fields. You don't need to give us your email address, but if you do, we can send you information about the survey results after the study is finished. Once you're done, click Start Survey. On the first page of the survey, you can find more details and background information about the explanation methods and the pathological findings. The next button takes you to a page showing how the survey questions are formulated. As you see, you'll be shown a case, the two explanation methods, and your ranking. Click on Next here, and the survey starts. First, you see the original image from the colonoscopy on the left. In the middle, you see the two explanations from the AI system. Please click on the green arrow next to See Explanation. In the window that pops up, you can click on each of the images to enlarge them and have a closer look at both the original image and the explanation. Click on the little cross in the top right corner to close the window. Please do the same thing for the other explanation and take your time considering whether this explanation is more or less useful for you to understand why the AI system has decided that there is a polyp in the image. And again, please remember that you are ranking the explanation methods, not the AI system. Once you've decided which explanation method you prefer for this case, you can rank the explanation methods by clicking on the image of the explanation you prefer, and the order will show up on the right. There are a total of 10 such cases in this survey, and you can see your progress in the top right corner. Finishing all the 10 cases, you arrive at the final feedback page. Here you see a summary of all the cases on the left-hand side to help you remember what the explanation methods A and B look like. On the right-hand side, we ask you a few questions about your overall experience with the different explanation methods and possible areas for improvement. Now, this is very valuable information for us to get from you, so we're very grateful to you for filling it out. Once you've answered all the questions, you can click End Survey. And you can know that you've helped us greatly in our research. Thank you so much for helping us.